in one of the continent's oldest forests. Morning light returns. Slowly, with quiet certainty, the air remains cool. The ground holds moisture from the night before, and beneath the towering canopy, life begins to stir. Once again, the forest does not rush. Neither do the creatures shaped by it, moving carefully through the undergrowth. A small plant-bearing creature appears, almost unnoticed at first. Bulbasaur, calm by nature, deliberate in movement. A body shaped, not by conflict, but by balance. Each step presses gently into damp soil. Leaves shift quietly beneath weight. Nothing is wasted. Feeding comes naturally here. Soft forest leaves provide energy, drawn slowly into the body and directed toward the living bulb resting on Bulbasaur's back. With every measured bite, the bulb strengthens, layer by layer, cell by cell. Satisfied, Bulbasaur pauses. There is no urgency, only awareness. The structure growing from Bulbasaur's back is not decoration. It is a biological system, refined through generations. A structure designed to store sunlight, nutrients, and chemical signals. Deep within, a network of living fibers transports energy slowly, with precision, governing every stage of growth. Now, the bulb begins to pulse. Not brightly, not suddenly. A faint signal, almost imperceptible, indicating stored energy, is approaching its natural threshold. Outer layers flex, just slightly, revealing glowing veins beneath. Change is no longer distant. As the forest darkens, light fades beneath the canopy. Shadows deepen, colors soften, sound becomes minimal. This subtle environmental shift triggers the next stage. In Bulbasaur's transformation, guided by instinct alone, Bulbasaur moves forward toward a quiet blue glow. A cluster of bioluminescent fungus rests near the roots of an ancient tree. The glow is cold, steady, unmoving. As Bulbasaur approaches, dormant compounds within the bulb activate. Chemical pathways awaken. Deep within the living plant, the bulb brightens. Slowly, deliberately, energy accumulates. Not explosively, but patiently, until containment is no longer possible. In a controlled surge of light, tissues shift, muscle density changes, posture strengthens. Bulbasaur becomes Ivysaur. Growth demands more. Feeding becomes constant. The developing bud draws immense nutrients. Fueling change is still underway. With measured steps, Ivysaur moves deeper into the forest. The scent now carries farther, signals presence to creatures beyond sight. Something shifts. The forest grows still. Leaves settle. Air movement slows. Instinct warns of a nearby territorial creature. Ivysaur stops. A Mankey emerges from behind the trees, claiming the area. There is no charge, no sudden movement. Ivysaur remains calm. From the bud, a fine sleeping powder is released, drifting slowly through the air. The threat subsides. The forest breathes again. Silence returns. Now, the bud swells once more, filled with gathered energy. Glowing seams widen as the final transformation approaches. In a powerful, yet controlled surge, Ivysaur becomes Venusaur. Massive, grounded, unmoving, a keystone of the forest ecosystem. Fully grown, Venusaur feeds steadily, supporting the enormous bloom above. The presence dominates the clearing, not through force, but through permanence. With a deliberate motion, Venusaur releases a soft drift of pollen, carrying life across the forest. In the quiet that follows, a newborn Bulbasaur approaches, drawn instinctively to warmth, to shelter, to continuity. Here, in the heart of the ancient forest, the cycle continues.